You know, if you want to make the boys' bathroom realistic, you're going to have to put some teeny tiny porno magazines behind the toilet.
Hey!
Hey!
Look, everybody! Look at my new dollhouse! Wow! Look, look!
Hey, what's this?
Oh, okay, it's a slide instead of stairs. Look.
Very interesting, Phoebe. What's this?
The licorice room. You can eat all the furniture. And when guests come over, they can stay on the Tootsie Rollaway bed.
This is the coolest house ever!
Hey, does anyone want to join me in the aroma room?
I would.
Hey, guys, did you see my new china cabinet?
Uh-huh.
Watch. And